Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Live Life Gorgeous 91. Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing great, super great. Those who are new to my channel, my name is Snigdha and you're watching Live Life Gorgeous. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can stay connected and watch all the beautiful videos I upload always. So stay tuned, everyone. Hey, you got a today new video, which is. Ta-da! So today's video is all about summer. So here you go. Now we entered into new weather called summer after winters. Yay! Okay, so summer आ गए हैं, उसके साथ साथ UV rays भी आ गई हैं. पहले भी यही थी, कहीं गई नहीं थी. But yes, UV rays are here, so we need to protect our skin. But उसके लिए पहले हमें toner लगाना पड़ेगा, फिर हमें serum लगाना पड़ेगा, फिर हमें moisturizer लगाना पड़ेगा और lock in करने के लिए sunscreen लगानी पड़ेगी. Oh my God! Isn't it so hectic? और इतने सारे products लेके आओ, ये वो. So how about getting everything in one package? So a hero product of the day is Hyphen. So इसकी lighting की वजह से I think it looks so different. Let me just give it. I don't know, but it looks little different in shade जो इसका actual में है. आप इसे 2-3 times under कर लो. This is what it got. Like this is how it packaging. Just talk about this Hyphen product. A beautiful packaging. You can see. इतनी broad packaging है and so the packaging is so lavish. I mean, you can check that out. And this is what it is. And इसमें बहुत, it is not that much of space it covers, but yeah, जो भी है broader packaging है, but it looks so good. The ऊपर जो इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, that is all I need is sunscreen, SPF PA++++, 4-time plus, and Kakadu plum is there, niacinamide is there, kojic acid and ceramide. This is what is written over here. We will explain it later on. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before proceeding ahead. So yeah, let's just start it with packaging. So packaging is super cool and beautiful neon shade is there. So this is all about the packaging and let's just talk about what's written over here. So the net quantity is 50 ml and all skin type ke liye it is going perfect. This is what is written over here and potency of science, power of nature. So yeah, this is all. So yeah, it is so much of hectic, like getting toner perfect for skin type and everything, and then serum and everything. It's gonna cost you around 1500 because getting 3 products, 400 each or 500 each. अगर आप ऐसे भी करो तो 3 products gonna cost you 1500 and then 2000 for sunscreen. This take a lot of, but this packaging, if we talk about this Hyphen, this you will get in 449. Wonderful. So fragrance free, vegan, it is PETA certified, zero plastic footprints, FLS free, paraben free, and alcohol free. This is what is written over here. They claim all these things. So yeah, एक यहाँ पर भी एक note they have mentioned, that is step into the world of Hyphen, where we believe in simplifying skincare by curating performance-driven essentials. We combine the power of nature and potency of science, hyphenating the best ingredients to deliver real results. So they claimed it, everything, and I applied it. My last अपना experience share करूँगी, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's just talk about the next thing. Okay, so I am all you need in sunscreen. So check that out. What I do: protect from UVA, UVB rays, moisturize your skin, help reduce sunspots, and prevent environmental damage. So ingredient they have. Okay, let's just talk about the ingredient. I have already mentioned जो इन्होंने claim किया है यहाँ पर. So this is Kakadu plum, niacinamide, kojic acid, and ceramides. So let's just talk about what they do because ये इन्होंने यहाँ mention किया है. So Kakadu plum is powerhouse of antioxidant-rich vitamin C, brighten your skin, boost collagen, and fight free radicals. Niacinamide strengthens skin's barrier, balance oil production, promotes skin elasticity, and hydrates the skin. Kojic acid reduces sunspot. Okay, just like okay, so reduces sunspot and hyperpigmentation and even out skin tone. And ceramides rebuild and strengthen skin's barrier and improve sign of aging. Can you believe that? Yes, I do because I used it. That's why. Okay, so how to use me? Apply generously to a clean, dry face, neck, or other sun-exposed area of your skin. When to use me? Use every day 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply as required. So it's so much of complicated dunya mein among lots of complicated people. एक तो हमें uncomplicated चीज मिली. You just need this for rest of the day and you're good to go. So I just love it. And this is not at all sponsored video, as you can see by my subscribers. Oh my god. Yeah, so sponsor नहीं है, this is not a sponsor, but I love it, love it, love it. और इससे बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन मुझे मिला नहीं है. ठीक है, अभी मैं धीरे अपना एक्सपीरियंस भी शेयर करूंगी ना लेटर ऑन. मैं जस्ट चेक कर लेती हूँ कुछ और रह तो नहीं गया. More ingredients they have listed over here. See, बहुत ज्यादा है, so you can read it by yourself. But yeah, अगर overall अगर आपको देखना है तो ग्लिसरीन, विटामिन ई प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, C12 प्रोडक्ट है, you know, and water, aloe vera, all these things, you know, which can soothe your skin. So yeah, overall these are the highlighted products they have mentioned. So I've already told you. So now I'm gonna do what is by applying it on here. तो मैं अप्लाई करके आपको दिखाऊंगी, तो आप you can just judge it. Yes, उसके बाद फिर मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगी. Okay, so just stay tuned. And yes, don't forget to like it. अगर आपको अब तक वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, so don't forget to like it. And yeah, let's just proceed ahead. So I hope you watched it, and now let me just talk about my own personal experience with this beautiful product. So yes, this product got me so much hand free because मुझे पहले कुछ करना पड़ रहा था. बट येस, टोनर मैं अभी भी अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, विच इज दिस प्लम. या और इसका मैं ऑलरेडी रिव्यू दे चुकी हूँ, सो यू कैन जस्ट विजिट माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड वॉच दिस. अदरवाइज मैं पिन डाउन कर दूंगी लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. ओके, सो उसके अलावा आई हैव दिस मॉइस्चराइजर. बट मैं ये इसके ऊपर यूज नहीं करती हूँ. आई ओनली यूज दिस आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस टोनर. मैं ये यूज कर रही हूँ उसके बाद डायरेक्ट, क्योंकि इसमें they claimed everything is over here, so why would I waste my single penny on another product. अप्लाई करने के बाद यूजुअली सनस्क्रीन, इसके ऊपर लिखा सनस्क्रीन है, तो यूजुअली सनस्क्रीन लगाने के बाद ये व्हाइट पैचेस और व्हाइट रह जाता है. बट इसे अप्लाई करने के बाद नो वेज, नो चांस एट ऑल. दिस इज हाउ रिलीव इट इज. और फ्रेग्रेंस फ्री, डेफिनेटली फ्रेग्रेंस फ्री है. फ्रेग्रेंस अच्छी लगती है बट नॉट ऑलवेज, फॉर द स्किन नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए होती है. सो या इसमें फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है. बट ये एक और चीज है इसमें कि जब भी आप अप्लाई करो, ओ माय गॉड, जब आप अप्लाई करते हो इसे, तो आपके लास्ट में ये ना पिंक सो काइंड ऑफ ब्लश और रह जाता है, विच सीम सो गुड. और एकदम लगाने के बाद ना ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव स्किन हो जाती है. वाई, जो आप 3-4 प्रोडक्ट्स लगाने के बाद जो चेंजेस देखते हो स्किन में, it gives that much of finishing after applying this. So pores fill kar deta and everything. So yeah, this is all in all great product, great deal. Seriously, you can spend and invest in this product. This is beautiful, great. And yes, how can I forget, this is Kriti Senon's product. And I just love this product. Seriously, मैंने advertisements देखी, बहुत बार देखी. I never thought कि मैं buy करूँगी. I don't know how I thought of this. I bought it, and then here you go. I am here with the review of this product. So I hope this is a great deal in summer. So girls, do not forget to hands on this product. Seriously, I'm telling you. That's all for today. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And so see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye, everyone. And thank you for watching till end. Bye bye.